Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an LLC to buy a property. First, you'll need to understand the core advantages this structure offers. An LLC can separate your personal assets from your investment properties, offering significant liability protection. We'll cover the initial setup process, including choosing a state for formation and drafting an operating agreement. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any real estate investor looking to optimize their holdings. One of the primary benefits of using an LLC is the robust personal liability protection it provides. This means if a tenant sues or an issue arises with a property, your personal savings and home are typically shielded. Additionally, an LLC can offer tax flexibility, allowing for pass-through taxation, which avoids double taxation. It also simplifies estate planning, making it easier to transfer property ownership to heirs with clear guidelines. To set up your property LLC, first select a state for formation. Some states offer more privacy or lower fees. Next, file the articles of organization with that state's Secretary of State, which officially creates your entity. Crucially, draft a detailed operating agreement specifying how the LLC will be managed and how profits and losses are distributed among members. Finally, fund the LLC by contributing capital or transferring the property into its name. Before proceeding, always consult with a qualified attorney and tax advisor. They can help you navigate the legal complexities and optimize your tax strategy, ensuring full compliance with state and federal regulations. Remember, maintaining separate finances for your LLC and filing annual reports are vital for preserving its liability protection. Carefully assess if an LLC aligns with your specific property type and long-term investment objectives for maximum benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.